thanks for checking out the video. It's Angela with KidCheck, and today we're talking about roster check-in. If you're looking for ways to simplify the check-in and out process, roster is the perfect solution. It's a real-time digital roster that replaces the paper and clipboard methods and provides at-a-glance status of who's checked in and who's not. It's perfect for youth groups, classrooms, camps, VBS, and even bus pickup. Plus, it works for both in-person and online attendance. So how does roster work? Well, you know the kids that are expected to attend, and from that information, you can customize a roster based on age, group, team, activity, whatever works, and have it ready at the click of a button for when they arrive. Better yet, you can check in one child or multiple children all at once. And if label printing is enabled, once the child checks in, name tags are automatically printed. Need to add a child who's never checked in before? No problem. You can add that child to the roster based on the parent-created KidCheck account, or if they don't have one, you can set one up for them right there. So what about checkout? It's just as easy. You can check out a single child, a few together, or everyone all at once. And this is helpful if kids are leaving the classroom, camp, or group activity at the end of the day. Roster check-in. It's perfect for all your list-based check-in needs. To learn more, visit kidcheck.com/roster or visit our blog and search under roster check-in, and the information you need will be right there. That's all I have for today. I'll see you next time.